Good day, everyone. Today we're excited to introduce to you Mutual & Co., our concept for a cozy minimalist coffee shop that offers a peaceful escape from the hustle of everyday life. This project was prepared and be presented by Aranda, Macaraeg, and Zarate.
Here is our organizational chart. We assign specific roles to ensure smooth business operations, with Georgie as our president, Michaeline as our VP for finance, and Angeline as VP for marketing. Each role plays a vital part in overseeing our business planning, budgeting, and promotional efforts.
Our vision is to be recognized as the go to neighborhood coffee haven where design, comfort, and community meet. Our mission focuses on creating a serene space with handcrafted beverages and thoughtful service. Our five main goals include delivering high quality products, building a welcoming community, promoting our aesthetic lifestyle brand, practicing sustainability, and expanding the business gradually and responsibly.
Flow is efficient and customer friendly with cozy seating arrangement and an overall design that enhances the peaceful vibe we want to create.
Muted & Co. will be located at 773 Kilometer 17 Place, Alabang Zapote Road, Las Piñas. It is a strategic location because it's easily accessible to our target market, including our residents, office workers, and students in the area.
Our target market is mainly young professionals, creatives, and students ages 18 to 40 years old. These are individuals who enjoy stylish spaces and value both good coffee and a calm atmosphere. Muted & Co. is open from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. on weekdays and from 8 a.m. to 1 a.m. on weekends to cater to both early risers and late night coffee lovers. Next slide, please.
For our logo and brand name reflect our core identity. Muted stands for the peace and quiet atmosphere, where our visual identity uses soft fonts and color to enhance that calm feeling. Our branding invites guests to slow down and enjoy the moment.
Yutadent Co. offers curated menu that includes hot and iced coffee, takeaway cup options, as well as pastries like cakes, donuts, and breads. We also offer pasta with white and red sauce options, perfect for those who want a light meal with their drink.
For our mood board presentation, next slide. Our next slide. Our design uses a monochromatic color scheme with boho accent to give the cafe a modern yet natural look. Warm white, soft beige, and stone gray are the base tones, while terracotta, dusty rose, and olive green add depth and warmth. These elements help create a relaxing and Instagram worthy atmosphere. Next slide.
For the lighting, it is crucial to the ambience. We use dimmable warm LED lights for general illumination, creating a cozy glow. Decorative lighting includes rattan pendant lamps, boho lanterns, and fabric-covered lamps to enhance the harmony and stylish vibe.
Our furniture matches our brand's identity, minimalist, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing. We choose natural wooden tables, cozy chairs, and textured lighting. The space feels clean and organized while still inviting and warm for our guests to stay longer.
For our table appointments, we designed our tables for both function and style. They feature scratch resistance, laminate surfaces, and edge bonds for durability, ensuring that they stay in great condition even with frequent use. The tables are easy to maintain and fit perfectly into our cozy aesthetic. Next slide.
Newton & Co. features a variety seating types to cater to different preferences, including minimalist dining chairs, boho lounge seats, Scandinavian pieces, and plush armchairs. All are in neutral tones and made from durable materials like wood, metal, and soft fabrics to ensure the customer's comfort.
This slide summarizes our design inspiration, showing the texture, colors, and materials we use to shape the identity of Beauty& Co. Everything works together to create a relaxing environment that reflects who we are as a brand.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about Mutad & Co. We hope our presentation gave you a clear view of the peaceful, thoughtfully crafted coffee experience we aim to offer. Thank you.